Is your PS5 controller randomly disconnecting over Bluetooth? Here's how to fix it fast. First, make sure your controller is fully charged. Low battery is the most common cause of Bluetooth dropouts. Next, go to your PS5 settings, open accessories and controllers, forget the controller and repair it by holding the PS and share buttons until the light bar flashes. Or you could find your controller in the Bluetooth accessory settings if you couldn't find it in the controller settings. Just like so. If the problem continues, update your controller firmware. Go to settings and then accessories and then wireless controller device software and install the latest update. Also check for PS5 system updates. Sometimes connection issues are fixed in the latest patch. Still disconnecting? Move other wireless devices like phones, routers, or headsets away from your console, since Bluetooth interference can cause drops. And as a last step, reset your controller by pressing the small button on the back with a pin, then reconnect it. Do these steps and your PS5 controller Bluetooth disconnect problem should be gone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.